Hi guys! Don't mind my caveman appearance. I'm going through a lot right now. But in light of everything, Zespri, I hope I'm saying it right, I have no idea, sent me kiwis to try. And they're Golden Kiwis. And they sent me a coupon that I just dropped for $1 off any pound bag. Okay. They have a lot of sexy rock and roll type things that I think and everything. They send you the spoon. Okay. So cute little Zespri kiwis. I have one cracked open. But I'm also a guy that's really interested in fashion. Sweeter one, softer. It says, I differ on that statement. Ooh, it's a knife and a spoon. This is amazing. It's a new spoon. What? The kiwi's right because I held it in my hand and it's a little soft and a gentle squeeze to touch. It's a gold avocado. I love that. It says slight pressure like an avocado or peach. It's not an avocado. It's a kiwi. Okay. So we knifed it with a fork because I didn't know we had a knife. It's really like decadent and juicy. It scoops right out. Okay. Let's try. Oh my god. You know she loves the jumpsuit. We have a really small window. You guys. She's leaving work now and then headed right back to film another episode of her television show. So my job. It's like sweeter than a normal green kiwi. So waste no time. Welcome to my setup. It's so good, and I'm not even just saying that. I'm done. So nice to meet you. It's such a pleasure. Now I need to do my research because I don't know why there's gold kiwis and what's the difference. And they didn't really tell me on here. This tropical sweet golden kiwi provides more than 100% vitamin C in just one fruit. But why is it golden? Zespri. What are you thinking? Yeah, I have two things. Anyways, it is definitely approved. I'm probably gonna buy a bunch of these because I like fruit in my granola in the morning, and I'm trying to lose the quarantine pounds, bitch. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in.